Welcome back to the online application series of Uplift Education, Sri Lanka. We have already completed the registration and personal details parts of the online application. It is now time for us to complete the results and school details. First, you need to fill the G.C.E. OL examination results and the year. In this regard, you need to provide your OL index number. Press Add and your result will be added. If you have used recorrection and your results have changed, your result might not be displayed when added. Hence, you will need to change instead of accepting and manually change the result of the desired subject. Your inputs will be evaluated and then admitted if they are true and correct. Your administrative district would have already been defaultly placed there. In the next tab, you will have to mention the district from which you are expecting to be considered for university entrance. If there are any changes, use the Change button. With your G.C.E. AL admission number, your result for the G.C.E. AL admission number would be added. If there is any change in the results, please do as instructed previously for the G.C.E. OL examination results. If there are any changes for the Common General Test, please proceed with the next part in which Common General Test marks can be changed. If you have attempted your G.C.E. AL examination twice or thrice, please mention the details of the previous attempts in the boxes attached therewith. If there has been any change in the national identity card that you used for the G.C.E. AL examinations this year and in the previous years, please mention the previous identity card, the year in which the exam was written, and the results will be added with your index number. Also note that you have to give details of your absence or withdrawal from examinations after you are eligible to do the examinations. Please provide the details as per required and click on Save and Next to go to the step number 3. In step number 3, you have to provide details regarding your school. Already the administrative district of the school would be filled. You will now have to submit the phone number of your school. Next, mention the date of your admission to the last school you attended from which you have done your examination. You have to provide details of all the schools you studied from August 2015 for the previous 5 years. First, select the district and mention the schools under that district in which you studied. Press Add and the school will be added. If you have studied in more than one school during the period of 5 years prior to August 2015, please add any number of schools as necessary. These details are filled along with the duration from which you studied in that school. In the other details section, you have to mention whether you are already involved in any course mentioned under the section 1.7 in the UGC handbook. Also, you will have to answer with a yes or a no for any financial scholarship schemes that you are currently under with the permission of the Ministry of Higher Education. After filling all these details, please click on Save and Next. The next episode will talk about the course selection. Let us meet you in the next episode.